Welcome to Competence FBOS S301. Prepare stocks, sauces, and soups. In this session, we'll focus on learning outcome 2, preparing mother sauces. Let's outline the key topics we'll cover. Here are the topics. 1. Identification of ingredients for sauce. 2. Description of mother sauces. 3. Techniques associated with sauce preparation. 4. Identification of characteristics for quality sauce. 5. Storing procedures for sauce. Now, let's delve into each topic. Identification of ingredients for sauce. Mother sauces are foundational in French cuisine, serving as basis for derivative sauces. Sauce ingredients include liquids like stock, milk, or wine, which provide texture. Thickening agents such as roux, cornstarch, or egg yolks give sauces body. Flavorings like aromatic vegetables and herbs enhance taste and aroma. Seasonings such as salt, pepper, and spices add depth. Chefs combine these elements to create a diverse range of sauces to accompany dishes. Description of mother sauces. In the heart of a traditional French kitchen, the mother sauces stand as pillars of culinary excellence, each embodying a unique essence that enriches dishes with depth and flavor. Mayonnaise, with its creamy blend of egg yolks, oil, and vinegar, lends a tangy brightness to cold sauces and dressings. Its velvety texture enhances even the simplest salads. Demi-glace, born from the marriage of espagnole sauce and brown stock, exudes richness and complexity, elevating meats and gravies to gastronomic heights with its luscious depth. Béchamel, a smooth amalgamation of butter, flour, and milk, is a versatile canvas for comfort foods like macaroni and cheese. It adds a creamy richness that comforts the soul. Velouté, with its delicate texture and gentle flavor, whispers of refinement as it envelopes poultry, seafood, and vegetables, bringing a touch of elegance to every dish it graces. Hollandaise, a luxurious blend of egg yolks, butter, and lemon, showers eggs Benedict and asparagus with indulgent richness, transforming simple ingredients into gourmet delights. Tomato sauce, vibrant and robust, dances with the flavors of ripe tomatoes, herbs, and spices, infusing pasta dishes and pizzas with the warmth and sunshine of the Mediterranean. Cooking methods and techniques. In his cozy kitchen, Chef Joseph puts on an apron and gathers ingredients to make the 5 mother sauces. Boiling method: white sauce Béchamel. Chef Joseph melts butter in a pot on medium heat. He adds flour and stirs until it's smooth. Then he slowly pours in warm milk and stirs until it gets thick and creamy, making a tasty white sauce. Techniques. Simmering after boiling, Chef Joseph lowers the heat to let it simmer gently, blending the flavors and getting the sauce to the right thickness. Skimming while simmering, Chef Joseph occasionally removes any foam or bits on the top to keep the sauce smooth. Frying method: light sauce velouté. In another pot, Chef Joseph heats oil over medium heat. He adds flour, stirring until it's light brown. Then he pours in warm chicken or veggie stock and brings it to a gentle boil, making a flavorful light sauce. Techniques. Simmering. Just like with the white sauce, Chef Joseph lets the velouté simmer to blend the flavors and thicken up. Skimming. Chef Joseph makes sure to skim off any bits on the top to keep the sauce nice and clear. Techniques for sauce prep. Straining. To get rid of any lumps, Chef Joseph pours the sauces through a strainer. Blending. If the sauce has chunks like tomato sauce, Chef Joseph blends it until it's smooth. Thickening. If needed, Chef Joseph cooks the sauces a bit longer or adds a mix of flour and water to make them thicker. Storing procedures for quality sauce. Identifying quality sauces is crucial for a delightful dining experience. A good sauce should have a pleasing color that complements its dish. Its texture must be smooth, velvety, and free from lumps. The flavor should be well balanced, enticing the senses with its depth. Consistency is key, with the sauce flowing easily yet clinging appropriately to food. After preparation, sauces should be rapidly cooled and stored in airtight containers to maintain freshness. Using sauces within the recommended time frame ensures their continued enhancement of dishes. In summary, we've covered the identification of sauce ingredients, description of mother sauces, techniques for sauce preparation, characteristics of quality sauce, and storing procedures. Now, let's assess your understanding with a few questions. Name 3 common ingredients used in preparing sauces. Can you list 3 mother sauces? What are some techniques associated with sauce preparation? Describe 2 characteristics of quality sauce. Explain the storing procedures for sauce. Think about these questions to reinforce your learning. Thank you for joining us in this session. Enjoy mastering the art of preparing sauces.